This channel is raking in cash with YouTube monetization by producing these simple yet viral videos. I will show you how you can create these style of videos using free AI generation tools. And I'm going to break down exactly how this YouTube automation strategy works. Unlike oversaturated niches, let's say animal video, this particular niche is still wide open for anyone to start making money. Most people don't know how to produce content like this. They believe that they need top-notch 3D modeling or animation skills and have no idea where to begin. I have made this video so easy to copy, even if you're a complete beginner. This video will show you the easiest and fastest way to generate similar content using AI tools. As you can see, ad revenue is the primary income for this channel, but there are multiple revenue streams that can work too. And I've spoke about this in my previous video on how to make money from your YouTube automation business without depending only on ad revenue. With a clear step-by-step content plan, you too can tap into these opportunities. Plus, I'll reveal a powerful technique to boost viewer engagement and retention. I know you might be itching to jump right in, but trust me and stay with me until the end, because all you have to do is copy and paste my strategy. Let's start. I'm breaking my strategy down into 5 simple steps, so pay attention to each part since every step is part of the plan, especially step 4. Step 1. Crafting the prompts with DubDub's AI Writer. The first step is all about creating the perfect prompts for the images we want. And to do this, we're going to use DubDub's AI writing feature to help us. If you're wondering why I'm using DubDub instead of other tools to generate my prompts, I'm doing so because of simplicity. DubDub is the best tool to build your YouTube automation channel because it gives you the full suite of tools from AI script writing, image generation, which we will be using in step 2, and everything else like video editing and voiceover creation. Instead of relying on multiple tools, I prefer to use one for consistent results. Now we'll go into the AI writing dashboard. Ask the AI writer craft a detailed prompt to generate an image. For example, we'll ask the AI writer to generate a detailed prompt for an ice blue bathroom sink with rich visual details to guide an accurate, realistic recreation in DubDub AI image generator. DubDub's AI writer will deliver a detailed, tailored prompt that perfectly captures the style and composition you're aiming for. Step 2. Generating the images with DubDub's image creator. Next, take the prompt generated by DubDub's AI writer and use DubDub's integrated image generation feature. DubDub offers a seamless experience where you can directly input your prompt and generate high-quality images right on the platform. You can set your parameters for the image you're generating, like choosing a 9:16 ratio for YouTube Shorts. Now watch as DubDub creates your image. With this feature, there's no need to jump between different tools. DubDub keeps everything in one streamlined workflow. Step 3. Animating your images. Once you've generated your images, the next step is animation. There are plenty of tools out there like Runway, Pika, Luma, Hailuo, Kling. For this example, I'll be using Hailuo. Simply upload your image to your chosen AI animation tool. Enter a prompt like lens rotating and water flowing from the tap into the ice blue sink to simulate dynamic camera movement and animate your image. Before we move on, if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Your support means everything, and it helps me keep helping you build your YouTube automation business. Step 4. Create a voiceover for your video. This is the step that's missing from Inspiring Designs videos. I think it's a missed opportunity to not include a voiceover for their video. Adding a voiceover generally improves engagement significantly. Let me show you how. Head over to DubDub and click on the AI voiceover feature. You'll see this simple-to-use interface where all you have to do is type out your script, and DubDub's AI will turn it into a voiceover for your video. What's crazy is this. There are over 730 voices to choose from. There are even voices that can read your script with different emotions. If you're like me and want a custom voiceover, there's an option. Go to My Voice to add a voice. This allows you to clone any voice you want. All you have to do is upload an audio sample of the voice or provide a YouTube link to the voice you want to clone. Now that we've chosen the voice we want to use, all that's left is to generate it and move on to the last step. Step 5. Editing your video with DubDub's online editor. Now it's time to piece everything together. Instead of juggling multiple software, I will be using DubDub's very own online video editor. It's designed for simplicity and power, and there is no downloads required. Once your animated clips are ready, log into DubDub's video editor, which features an intuitive timeline and easy drag and drop functionality. First, upload your animated clips. Then you will have to drag and drop each clip into the timeline. Finally, add transitions, background music, text overlays, and any final touches. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. Luxurious washroom sink designs from all over the world. Which one is your favorite? Although there is no step 6, but if you're still here, I've got a bonus for you for watching and staying all the way. This proves that you are serious about building your YouTube automation channel. Now, I have prepared free resources for faceless creators like yourself. These are the latest playbooks, templates, and formulas to help you grow your faceless channel faster than ever. It's completely free to download. You can find link in the description.
And that's it. If you're ready to dive deeper into faceless YouTube automation,
Check out my other video to find out what are the other niches that's not crowded yet. I'll see you next time.